Hello guys, my name is Lucas and today I would like to share with you a small project I've been working on. So let's have a look, and maybe there is something you are interested in learning, or just you would like to know how, like, what kind of games I've been working at. I usually make small projects because usually I work by myself, so I like to make something I can handle in around 1 to 2 months, hopefully sooner than that. So at this time I'm still focused on doing Android and iOS games. Of course I want to make big games like Skyrim and like something like that, right? But I still don't have enough manpower to do something like that, and I don't want to use 60 years doing it by myself. So let's talk about Under the Site. So I based the gameplay of this game in a game called Ridiculous Fishing, and it's a very good game. I really recommend it. I'm going to make another video about that game, but it's so good, so I wanted to make a clone like that, but also delivering a message. So the first thing I do when I listen music, when I make games, is play some nice music. So you guys can try to find your own music. I recommend it. I don't know why it makes my work go smoother. So I like this song. Maybe some of you guys like it too. And so before I start doing my work, I'm just going to show you here. I'm like loading from a server all the data. The data is encoded in this format, and so then I can use that data in the game. So this game is about a death, those like shinigamis, those the god of death, and he takes people from companies. So actually there is a message I want to deliver with this game, and it is that people, anyone, can die anytime. So we should try to make sure that we find a job that we love. So in this game, the Reaper is taking away people, and those people were not very happy with their jobs. Sometimes we really focus too much on money, and we forget that we have to do what we really love, what we have passion for. That's the message I wanted to bring with this game. So if I start this, he's going like to throw his side. Well, this is the the banana side, but he's going to use his side, and of course you use the accelerometers in your phone to move left and right and try to catch as many employees of the company. And then after they fly up, you have to catch them, and they will give you some money. So later, with that money, you can buy new weapons. So the basic weapon is just an iron sight, like this one. So you can unlock many sights. So for example, if I go here, now make all the prices to be $4, but actually they will have different prices. So this is a smile. It's called the smile scythe. It's the eye scythe. So I can use different weapons, and different weapons have different abilities. So in different stages, there will be some requirements, like you must have specific weapon in order to capture a specific character, and well, the main goal is to collect the characters, and yeah, collect the characters, and then you can read the description. So for example, there will be like well, I'm not saying that any bad about the people that do this. Oh, well, there's a glitch. These kind of jobs, but I just made these based on jobs I personally wouldn't like to do, because so I don't mind if people like doing their jobs, and that's perfectly fine. I'm no one to judge anyone, but the jobs I don't think I would like to spend my time, because I think there is not much learning opportunities. I use that in my to like make the jobs that the people is here like only looking for the money, right? So well, my dream job of course is be like a big game programmer, right? And like make games that actually can teach you something, because I like teaching and I like making games. So uh, well, I'm almost done showing you the games. I can show you some of the graphics. So this game style, of course, you can already tell is pixel graphics, because I think pixel graphics are they can save you a lot of time. Of course, you can make very beautiful pieces of art with pixel graphics, but I'm not that good making pixel graphics, so they can be very good for saving you a lot of time. So for example, this is the second stage. This is a resemble of like Burger King. Of course, this is Burger Emperor to avoid any legal issues. So of course, in this stage, all the characters that you can collect have the style of working in a restaurant, which is something I also wouldn't like to do. And I'm not saying if you do it is something bad, but it's just something I wouldn't like to do. And so you can collect different characters, and in their description, if I show you a screenshot of something like this, so this is the collector's page. So here you collect different characters. Of course, now here's the one same character, and you have a description. So it's like, I hate my job because my boss always is bossing me around or something like that. People always complain to me, but I need to pay the rent, so I have no choice. So some stuff like that. And yeah, there's some special characters. So for example, if I show you the characters, so for example, this is the first stage. It's just the office is called the lighting company. So there's like normal people doing office work, and there's a security guard, and his description, he says, I wanted to be a security guard to fight bad guys, but they only asked me for directions. And I know this because I was a security guard, and one of the reasons I did that was I wanted to like have action, like there is some like guy doing some things, some suspicious stuff in the fourth floor or something like that. But most of the time, the only thing people were doing was were asking me like, where's the toilet? So it was not that fun as I thought. I was younger at that time. And yeah, and like here's like the boss. This is the boss of the stage. So once you killed it, the two guys on the left were like demons, so they become ashes. And the ghost, the target for this Lord of Death is to like get the ghost out of the people's body and eat it, so he can get like money. And of course, this is a very rare character. It's not going to appear every time, so you have to play the stage more than once. And sometimes you need a specific weapon to be able to catch that boss. So in the description of some characters, you can have some clues to notice which weapon is going to be able to defeat the boss. So you have to be careful and read the descriptions in order to be able to defeat it. If you just go with any weapon, it's going to bounce off and you miss your chance, and you have to try many times again until you find the boss again. So there's some other special characters which are a little bit more common, but not as common as if you see the rare characters have like a pink outline, and the non-special characters is just regular black outline. So if I show you the other sprite sheet of characters, you can see here there's also some special characters like this one, and the French fry guy, and this is the boss, this is the donut girl. So yeah, so until now I just have 2 stages, which I already showed you. So it's these one and this one. So and if you would like to learn to make some like simple pixel graphics like this, please let me know and I can teach you what I used to, like the techniques I know, the techniques I used to use, and yeah, we can do something. So the buttons, I'm going to have some in-app purchases, so I can teach you how to do that too. In-app purchase is very useful when you want to earn some bucks from your game. Ads, so here I have the no ads banner. That's in-app purchase, so you can choose between like having ads or paying a bit of money to get rid of those ads, right? And of course you can also buy coins. So here just a coin and the amount of coins and the price. So yeah, I hope you got some interest in this game, and if you have any question about something, like I think I've already taught many things from this, like how to get data from a server, and well, I haven't teach you about animations. I haven't teach you how to do pixel graphics, so let me know if you want to do that. Like animations like this movement, I usually use iTwin to make all the animations. This stage is generated through also a piece of data I have in the server. I have to fix that glitch, and then I also use iTwin to move my character from place to place, so just like that. And then yeah, you have to like calculate the trajectory of the character and your attack and make it bite right on top of it. So actually, if you're good at timing, you can actually get more than one character at a time. So yeah, if we open the wiki, like here's the wiki. Now we don't have any characters because I haven't set it up yet. So this is just an introduction to this project. I'm going to upload another video just showing you myself doing the code. So this is just to show you some of the projects I do, and yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. Please like and share this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.